Yes, I'm filming.
You guys, welcome to my channel.
This isn't your channel. Go away.
So if you look over here, you
this
can
isn't
see
your channel.
all these keys and
Alexa, not everything's about
Some
you.
of them are like house
Alexa.
keys, so I would really
Alexa.
like them.
Ma'am.
Can you please stop recording? This is a public space.
Ma'am.
Or I have to ask you to leave.
So someone's gonna come up to me and be like, okay, you can't film here.
I'm just gonna put it low whenever a worker comes by. Sick. Mango, ma'am, I'm gonna have to ask you to step away from the movies.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
can you stop recording?
Pay $4 for tea I could get for $1.
You can't get Starbucks at $1. Ma'am, you're being very difficult right now.
Karen, I'm gonna have to ask you to kind of...
Stop recording me.
Mango, throw it. Throw it. Hi.
My Starbucks is on the way. That's not my drink.
Don't put it in a plastic cup. Just put it into the cup holder of my car. Just pour it in.
So where am I going?
Put the
We're going to both
the latte, a flower perhaps. Don't hurt the
Am I
trees.
going towards the freeway, like back towards my house?
Or just put it directly into my mouth. That's a good idea.
That's what she said.
Sarah!
What if I like rose it?
Sir? Sir?
The umbrella. Josh, you too. I love you too. I was like a friend though.
You're so strong. Oh, yes.
No, gay.
Sarah, help me!
Wait, why do we always struggle with the umbrella? It's in the freaking cup! Do you see this?
I was like, I don't know what to do.
Update, the canopy broke and it flew away over there and they're trying to fix it, but it's not working and it was already broken in the first place, and we tried balancing it on the cooler and that's why it blew away, and now it's just completely broken and there is no hope for us, and I have no faith in humanity anymore.
Get out of the water. 4 kids in the water. They're all in. Can't swim no more because it's 7 o'clock and there's no lifeguards. In the water. The water is salty and I like it salty because I'm Tariq and I live in Georgia, yeah. Oil rig in the distance, Great White Industries, that's my business, yeah. I'm Lord, yeah.
I'm bleeding!
I'm bleeding! Don't worry, new finger.
That's what she said.
Does that happen? Bleeding. I'm bleeding like a woman and there's blood everywhere and I'm gonna die, oh God. It's coming down to get us. Don't know what to do. I told you from the start.
Aliens?
They're coming.
Aliens.
Aliens. Warfare. Toy claws.
guys, welcome to my channel, or her channel, or I don't know whose channel this is gonna be. But today we're gonna give you a little sunburn haul. I'm actually Mexican, so I'm pretty brown. But I'm pretty red. If you look down at Menkel's foot, she's the lightest one of us, and she only got burn on her foot. So it's a little bit ironic that I look like Neapolitan, but it's fine.
I'm rubbing aloe vera all over myself. Ma'am, ma'am, I'm gonna ask you to cover up your bottom end. This is
Nothing for men. We have facial.
Burnt up. Burnt up. Burnt up.
About that. Let's see how you do. Like that.
Wait, where are you guys looking?
Okay.
In the mirror?
in the mirror.
Like at ourselves?
Serious. Straight face. Okay. Stop.
About that. Let's see how you do. Like that.
Yeah.
Managing the name Badger. The water. Place some in the pool and lost all its water. Just keep alive, yeah. Someone help me. Need to put some water on the baby. Susan water, he's gonna dehydrate if we don't get him back in there soon. I think I like my green better.